important one. So today we are going to see distributed systems, how problems will be arranged, how we are going to solve out the problem. So here in our network it can be categorized into three types. One is centralized network, another one is decentralized network, then last one is your distributed network. So in these three networks, how the operation will be progressed, what are the steps to take the network connectivity, be safe and secure. So in this first one is your centralized network. So in the centralized networks, each and every node will be connected to a global centralized connection. So in this, each node will be acts as ledger. That ledger operation process node-to-node communication is called as transaction. Then decentralized network, same as it is, multiple number of centralized networks interconnected to a large connection. It is called as decentralized network. In the decentralized network, node-to-node communication, it will take in particular network entity of the node. The distributed networks, the combination of both centralized network and decentralized networks operation will be interconnected to the whole across the world. It is called as distributed network. So in this process, how the ledger transaction is going to be performed and evaluated. This is the basic operation and techniques in these three types of networks. Next, I call upon Vignesh to explain about centralized network. Different types of networks. So the rest of the content will be explained by Ranjit. Yes, Ranjit.
Hello guys, good afternoon. So my teammates Vignesh and Asha have discussed about what is centralized network and decentralized network. So Vignesh gave a nice example of what is ledger, and you all know about what is ledger also. So I give an example of what is ledger. So as Vignesh said, ledger means a copy. So for example, you can say that for bank transaction, if you transact from one people to another people, the transaction will be stored in a bank server where you also will get a copy of what you have sent to another person, and the bank will also have a copy of what from which person and to whom person the cash has been sent. So from that we can say that centralized and decentralized networks are also been added in that. So centralized networks are the process where it is connected with one-to-one person. For example, we can say that teachers and students contacting. So if you have any doubt, you ask teachers and they conclude what's your doubts are. So in decentralized networks, the same concept, but you ask the teacher also, then you ask to some other persons to the experts what the concept is. So we can conclude that both also act in every part of the networks. So I conclude by saying that these two networks takes an important role in bank accounts and in many other places.
Anybody have any doubts, please ask. Or else we wind up the session. Next session we will see another new topic. Okay.